Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, heated steering wheel, CD player, compass, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.